Multiponics down here at the Grower Supply Company off Brighton Boulevard in Denver, Colorado. And we're just showing an example of one type of system that you can retrofit for high pressure aeroponics. So with the Multiponics kit, you've got our high pressure pump in the box with the gauge, all the tubings and fittings, drill bit, stoppers, sprayers, etc. So as an example, if you have an old gutter setup like this that you want to figure out how to retrofit, you can have a smaller reservoir as this 5-gallon bucket that you just feed, you know, the old school ways. You would just feed tubes down into there and do a soak ponics, or maybe just a squirt with some NFT. And the type setup that we have now with the stoppers, the cleanable high pressure spray heads, and all you have to do to retrofit an old system like this is take our drill bit, drill the hole the right size for the stopper, like you see right here, insert the stopper, tie that into your tubing and back into your high pressure pump. So you can run multiple stoppers. This is our 6800 pump. You can run up to 6 nozzles at 80 psi, and with our 8800 series you can run up to 10 nozzles at 80 psi. So depending on how big your project is, you can choose one size or the other. And just examples of some of the other setups that you can retrofit. You've got the square gutters that everybody's familiar with. We have this kind of one-off system that appears to be about an 8-inch PVC with 6-inch net pots. We've got the undercurrent system in the back. All of these can be retrofitted with our high-pressure aero setup. You can even do just plain old 5-gallon buckets, and we can even get into an easy cloner. As soon as your pump and your manifold are dead or your sprayers all need to be replaced, just plug in one of our high-pressure nozzles into an easy cloner and you've just rehabbed that system and brought it back to life. And you can do it at a fraction of the cost. If you already have the high pressure aero kit, you can tie all the items in your room into that one kit. So check us out at multiponics.com, gsccolorado.com for the Grower Supply Company, and check out both our YouTube channels as well for more information. Thank you.